Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging for y'all. So I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and I know I do this every single time, but I try to say this and get it out of the way here at the very beginning because I think my subscribers are more important than what I'm showing, because if it wasn't for the subscribers, I wouldn't be showing nothing, because I wouldn't have a channel, because I'd be like, I don't need a channel if nobody's going to watch it. So thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're new here, I hope you like the videos. And if you haven't subscribed, I would really, really appreciate it and enjoy. Well, I would just like for you to subscribe, because I feel like all my subscribers are friends. Okay, so, all right, I have got another unbagging from Amazon, y'all. Like y'all didn't already know that. So, okay, so what did I get? Let me show you. Now, this is a poured glue, and I gave, let me see, I have all this written down. Now, I give a little bit more. This was still under $10, but I did give a little bit more for this one because I am going to be doing this one for my son for Father's Day. All right. So this was $7.98, and it is a fish. He loves to fish. Ever since he was a kid, we all used to go fishing all the time, and that's something that he grew up doing, and he enjoys it, and him and his wife and kids, they go fishing constantly. So I got this one. I seen this one and grabbed it so I could do it for him for Father's Day. So it is a little 40 by 30 poured glue. And there is the thumbnail, and it also has the canvas number and the size. It has another thumbnail up here on the top left with the schematic, and there are 25 colors, and it does have the DMC numbers listed. And it looks like I'm going to be working with numbers and letters. It also has another thumbnail and schematic over here on the right side. So, there's the worm on a hook. Here's the fish, the water, and you can see he's jumping up out of the water to grab the worm. So, it says it's a bass, although I ain't 100% sure this is a bass, just because of this right here, but I'm not real sure. Could be a trout. I don't know, but it was listed as a bass. Okay, so like I said, $7.98 poured glue. This is a round. In the toolkit, it's just a regular, normal toolkit. Green boat, pink wax, pink pen. All right, let me get y'all a little bit more centered. All right, let's take a look-see at these drills. Hope everybody's had a great day, great week. I don't know what day of the week this is going to be showing up on, so I'm not going to give a day of the week. So I just hope y'all are having a good day. All right, so the canvas number is also on the drills, so you can put these separate from your canvas. If y'all hear some snorting, that's Booger. He is up underneath my table, and if you're new here, Booger is my baby Boston Terrier. He is 4 months old, so he is a mess, y'all. All right, so I'm just going to run through these colors. So it's going to be a lot of, well, not a lot, but it's going to be some dull colors because, you know, it's a fish and it's like a lake fish. So we just have some greens and yellows and some orange and just some dark colors. Now, if you have been following me, you know I like these drills that come with this silver stripe. I have never had any issues with these drills as far as trash, static, bad. I've never had any issues with these drills. The only issue I've had with these drills is what they call hitchhikers, which all hitchhiker is you get a few stray colored drills in a bag of other drills. But, you know, that's about the only issue I've ever had with this type of drill. So, let me bring y'all down. All right. So, sticky it is, of course, and I'd hope it would be sticky, because if it wasn't, then we wouldn't be able to do it. So, all right. So, this is going to be quite a bit of confetti on the fish. But in the background, there are spots that you could do a little bit of color blocking. Not a whole bunch, but there's some. And it looks like even the dark areas, I mean, not bad. And I don't know if it's my camera. It may just be my camera. Because I was going to say, I can tell that these, where's my finger? Woo, over here. Like, these are 8s, I think. They kind of look fuzzy, but I think that's just because I had them too close to the phone. All right, so I don't really see any kind of issues, so I don't think it's going to be too bad, and I think he's going to like it. You know, he's not going to care. I try to do a little something for him and my daughter-in-law, like on Mother's Day or Father's Day, you know, something like that. Not, I mean, we don't go, you know, extravagant or nothing, but I like to give them a little something. So I thought this would be cute, and I just find a little frame and put it in. I just hope I can get, well, I mean, I shouldn't have any issues. Well, Father's Day is in June, so I've got another month, or, well, we're in May, so I've got a month. But I'm also doing one for my husband also, so. But, all right, y'all. So what do you think about this one? Have y'all done this one? Have you seen this one? Would y'all do this one? Like I said, this was $7.98, y'all. Not bad. All right. I guess until my next video, y'all, I hope you have a great one, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.